I'm going to show you now how to make a super ultra low fat, so it doesn't matter what diet you're on, this is so low fat you won't believe it, and yet it's incredibly tasty and incredibly filling. Roast Mediterranean filled mushrooms with roasted Mediterranean peppers and red onion with cottage cheese. This is fat-free cottage cheese, and this one is cottage cheese, onion and chive. Packed with flavour, packed with filling capability, and yet no fat. Italian, Mediterranean, green, herby stuff. You see this in all sorts of shops. There's 1,000,001 different types. Any of that sort of dried herby seasoning would be lovely. Because it's a diet, some spray light, drop of olive oil, maybe some Maggie's Mexican sweet and spicy, and there might be 1 teaspoon of a low-calorie butter as well. But I'm going to show you how to make that now. Don't forget, super low fat, super filling. Follow me. The way that we need to do these peppers is chunky. Fabulous. Spray light, 1 calorie per spray. And then these spices that I mentioned, these Mediterranean style spices, just put that in there. Now, I know we're on a diet, I'm going to put just the tiniest little bit of olive oil in. There you go. So they're done, they're ready for the oven. Don't forget to do the underside. 1 calorie per spray. 1 teaspoon of melted low-fat butter substitute. Just a little bit of our Maggie's sweet and smoky or sweet and spicy. Another sprinkling of our herbs. How colourful is that? Very simple, basic salad with this. Half a teaspoon of our grilled pepper, balsamic glaze, tiniest drop of olive oil. I'm going to do some crispy oven roasted kale. If you're denying yourself crisps, you can have this instead. The kale, all crispy now. These are like little mushroom steaks now. Fantastic.